What's up guys, it's Cody here. Today in this video we're gonna be talking about the AirPods Max. These things are freaking, I don't know yet, but I assume that these are gonna be amazing. I'm really excited about these. These are actually my most highly anticipated products from Apple this year. Yes, that includes the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am more excited about this than the phone. And the reason for that is because this is a brand new product. If you want noise canceling over the ear headphones from Apple, these are the way to go. These are the only way to go. And the reason that I am very excited about these is one, that it's a brand new product from Apple, and it's a peripheral that I use every single day. I wear headphones every single day, pretty much 90 to 95% of the day if I am not asleep. Sometimes I even wear these EarPods when I fall asleep. And the reason for that is because my apartment is incredibly loud. That's why you see me actually wearing these EarPods right now and in previous videos, just because I don't want to be distracted while I'm doing these videos, and it's just a pain. It's a major pain point in my life right now. I will be moving out of this place in 3 months. That's when my lease is up, and then things will be much better and I will be a happier person. But right now, I live my life in noise canceling headphones, and Apple has come out with some over the ear headphones that I am dying to try out. So I'm very excited about these. One of the things I'm really excited about these is that these have a 20-hour battery life. That's not to say that there aren't headphones out there with longer battery lives, because there are, but this is Apple. You pay for premium, and supposedly these are a very premium product. So let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below, whether or not, I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments about the price being too high, which, I will not, I can't argue that. It's a very expensive product for headphones. I've never spent this amount of money on headphones before in my entire life. Now, I have purchased several Bose headphones, and I always thought those were crazy expensive. And these are like $200 more than that. So is this going to be justified with the price tag? And is that the only thing that's keeping you from getting these? Is it just the price tag, or do you just not like the design? Do you not like the colors? What is it that you don't like about these? I feel like they're getting a lot of hate, but at the same time, they're sold out everywhere. Let's go ahead and open these up and let's see what we have inside and see if that $549 price tag is justified. So this is what we got on the box. So just the headphones right up here on the front. On each side, we have an Apple logo that you can see right there. We got a nice little pull tab that's gonna make unboxing this really easy. And we also have the back showing that smart case. So we'll just flip this over and pull on this tab. What was that? All right. And of course, we pop the top. All right, so it looks like it comes packaged in the smart case itself, which feels like it has some packaging on it as well. Just wanted to feel that very stretchy mesh. Feels really nice. This is feels very like silicone, like an Apple silicone case, right on the top band, the headband. So let's go ahead and pull them out. And we'll put these aside for a second while we take the packaging off the smart case. So the smart case, this is where you're gonna put your headphones when you're not using them. Now, it doesn't do much in terms of packing up, because it's really, they don't really bend and fold up to where you can pack them really easily. So you just slide them in here, and then it'll go into a low power mode due to the magnets that are inside of this case, and it will retain battery life a whole lot better than if you leave it outside of the case. Now, it will still go into low power mode without this case. It just takes a little bit longer for it to do that. So you're gonna save battery life if you put them in this case directly after using them while you're not using them. So let's see what we got inside here. Looks like we have a cable, and this is USB-C to Lightning. So it doesn't come with the charging brick. That is a new nice little thing that Apple has bestowed upon us, which probably a whole lot of other companies are going to start doing in their effort to also save this planet and cost us money. I say that jokingly with a little bit of truth attached to it. So as we go through this, it doesn't look like we got any Apple stickers. Apple continuing that trend of including less things in the box while raising the price, but that is the Apple way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in there, slide this aside, and let's bring over these headphones. And first impression of the ear cups. First of all, let's take these off. Just little protectors for the ear pads. And wow, those feel pretty nice. Just the cushion on them. Of course, I'll have to try these on before this video is over. But all the materials are very familiar if you're familiar with a lot of the Apple products. So this back plate, this aluminum, is very reminiscent of previous iPhones, like the iPhone 6 Plus that I have right here. So these feel, I mean, this is the same material, and this is actually milled out of a single piece of aluminum, both of these. So there are no seams or anything like that. So of course you're getting a quality product right there. Also much more durable than having multiple pieces on the ear cup. And again, like I said, this is that same silicone that you're going to be seeing from iPhone cases that you can see right here. Feels exactly the same as the case. So that's going to give you a better idea of what these materials feel like. Now, I don't really have anything that you would probably have that feels like these ear cups. These ear cups actually feel really nice, and I'm pretty excited to actually put these on. Now, one of the things that's cool about these is that these are magnetic and pop right out. So if you wear these a lot, I have no idea how long these ear pads will last, but once you wear them out, you can pop them out and you can get a replacement. You can even get different colors if you want to mix and match from Apple. Those aren't available just yet, but they will be available pretty soon. So if we flip these around, you can see that we have the right and left embroidered in the earphones. That way you know which way to put these on. You also have an H1 chip in each of these ear cups. So you're gonna be happy with the pairing process that you go through with these, because it's identical to basically pairing any of the Apple AirPods to your phone. You just basically walk near it and open it up. As a matter of fact, as you can see right here, I need the latest version of iOS in order to fully take advantage of these headphones, which I will do after this video, but you can still set this up with limited functionality. So we'll just hold these here, and I literally just went and grabbed my phone and they already had the notification up as I walked towards these headphones. So that thing makes it really, really easy to pair, and that's one of the things I love about having AirPods. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I wear AirPods all the time, and I use them for watching TV. And of course, as I give tons of encouraging remarks about how well that their pairing process works, it goes ahead and fails. And that might be actually, let me try this, because I'm attached to, all right, so now that I've disconnected my AirPods that I'm actually wearing right now, let's try to connect these. All right, so it looks like they connected immediately. So it was my AirPod Pros that were causing that issue. So you can see that they're connected, and obviously you can see in your Bluetooth, or you can also just see the the green light down here at the very bottom saying that it's connected. So we can put these on and test them out, but before we do, of course, we want to take a look around here. So one of the things that is really nice about these headphones is that it doesn't have those clicks. So you're not subjected to actually having to go in between different little clicks. You can put this exactly where you want it, and it's going to fit your head nice and snugly like. So you can do that on both sides. So it has a nice pull to it that's going to keep it right in place, which is really nice. And you're not going to have to worry about your head size in between different presets that other headphones have. So the next thing that I want to show you guys are these buttons. So this button right here is to turn on or off the noise cancellation. So as you're wearing them, you can just hit this button, turn on noise cancellation, or press it again, and turn it off. So it's very quick and easy to tap that. Now, right up here at the top, you also have something very reminiscent of that digital crown. I wouldn't say reminiscent, I would say just a very larger, identical version of the digital crown on the Apple Watch, as you can see right there. So we're going to be able to use this just like we would the digital crown. So I would assume you can use this for volume, for turning it up and down. I haven't actually tested that yet, but you also can activate Siri, go to previous and next songs, and all that good jazz. And if we take a look at the bottom of the device, you're going to see that we have that lightning port. So you're going to be using lightning port in order to charge these. Now, charging these is going to take 2 hours to get the full 20-hour battery life out of these guys. But you can't just charge them for 5 minutes and they're going to work, I believe, for an hour and a half, I believe. I'll have to double check that. If I'm wrong, I'll put a little annotation on the screen right here. But okay, we've taken a look around these. Now, of course, we have to try them on and give them a little test. So let's do that. All right, so let's give these a try. I'm gonna have to adjust them on my head as well. So right when I put them on, they recognized that they were on my head and connected. They feel pretty comfortable. And when, oh wow, yeah, the noise cancellation and being able to hear, I mean, turning on and off the noise cancellation. I mean, it sounds like I don't even have headphones on right now. And I believe these have like 9 microphones on here. But yeah, you just hit that button and then you can hear that noise cancellation toggle on and off. And it's much more prominent than I would get on the AirPods. And I'm a pro on these AirPods Pro. I am not kidding. I've worn these to death. I've actually had to replace them twice under warranty, but just because I've ruined them because I've used them so much. Let's play some music here and oh my God, dude, no, I'm not even. I can tell you immediately, sound quality is better in these than they are in the AirPods. Obviously, that was entirely expected. Second, I will say I can tell immediately that the sound quality is better than the Bose QC35s. No doubt in my mind. I've used them both way too much, and I'm able to tell right off the bat that this is much better. I mean, the bass is so much deeper and the highs are so much clearer. I mean, in Bose headphones, it just seems like it's a little bit too muddy for me. They just adjust it way too much. And this just sounds so, I mean, it's basically like having like a nice little comfortable HomePod hugging your ears. You can quote me on that. All right, so I'm gonna test the noise cancellation. So if I'm screaming, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to. So I'm gonna turn it off. And now I'm gonna, wow. Yeah, and you can hear yourself so clear. It's so much better in these than it is on the AirPods Pro. And it's strange. I mean, it's almost like, I can hear myself better with these on and my noise cancellation turned off than I can probably without these on. Yeah, I mean, it sounds so much clearer. It's weird. It sounds like I'm talking to myself in my own ears. It's really strange, but it works really, really well, I guess is the point I'm trying to get across. Now, playing through the classical and the EDM stuff, I mean, it sounds great. I mean, it sounds really, really good. One of the things that I don't actually, something that I've noticed anyways, just in the short amount of time that I've had them, is I'm trying not to get them scratched. So that's gonna be a little annoying. It's not something that you worry about. I don't worry about with my Bose QC35s or obviously my AirPods. I mean, I can drop those on the table. I can, if I can fold up my Bose headphones and I can toss them around a little bit and I'm not too worried about them. These, I'm like, I don't know how well these are gonna hold up in terms of just the finish and getting them scratched and stuff. Now, a lot of people, or I've seen some people talking about they wish they had like the Apple logo on the sides. I don't. I'm glad that there's not two Apple logos on both sides of my head, really, honestly. I mean, I think this looks sleek, it looks classic, it looks ageless. And I think one of my lights just came on, maybe. First impressions is I absolutely love these. I do want to do a complete review. I will be testing these absolutely thoroughly in every way, shape, or form because these are a daily use product for me on a daily basis. So I'll let you guys know what I like, what I don't like. So if you guys want to stay up to date with that video and be notified once I put it out, I made a new little animation that you may have seen at the beginning of the video that I'm pretty proud of, that you'll see right here. You'll just click that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.